Good evening, guys. It's your girl, Shirley Jordan, and this is June 5th. I got my Swirly Me Sweet package yesterday in the mail, and I am going to check and see what's in the box.
I'm not playing no games. I'm playing too. I'm not playing no games with him.
As y'all can hear my grandkids in the back. I have my little note that says, "Welcome to Swirly Me Sweet. Your new representative position is an exciting one. The chance to work with us as we grow and treat people to sweet is what I call a great job. You, as always, can reach out to us on Facebook. My partner in crime, Ashley Patterson, and myself are here to help with whatever you might need. Included in this fun package is your kit. It has all sorts of goodies. Yummy. We encourage you to try all of our products so you get a sense of what they taste like. We are looking forward to working with you and can't wait to see how you grow. Have a sweet day, Michelle." Thank you, Michelle. This is my invoice. Ooh, let's see here. We got Blue Moose Sweet Shop, Gourmet Fudge Bites, Chocolate Peanut Butter, individually wrapped. That looks so good. And what might we have here? Mango Sour Belts. Sounds pretty good. I like the container that it comes in. Okay, that's it in the box. Okay. My assistant seems to have gone on strike. So I'm just going to put my phone down for a second. Y'all might see my feet up while I try and open this package.
Put that back on.
Ooh, this looks pretty good. So I have some Gimme S'mores. I bet the kids are going to like this if they get to try it. And this is here, I guess, to protect the candy from melting. Awesome job, Michelle. Great job. Guys, I will post the information below this video so that y'all can check out the website, order you some good old treats. And as I try these, y'all know we're going to do a video and let you know what's going on. Thank you for watching our videos.